Ever find yourself at the end of the month, looking at your bank account and wondering where all your money went? You had a plan, you set a budget, but somehow, it just vanished. That feeling is exactly what the leftover feature in PocketGuard is designed to solve. It's one of the app's most powerful tools, and it's a completely different way of looking at your finances. So, what is it? Simply put, leftover is a real-time number that shows you how much money you have available to spend right now. But it's not just your checking account balance. It's a lot smarter than that. PocketGuard's algorithm automatically takes your total income and subtracts all of your essential expenses. Think about it. Your bills, your debt payments, your savings goals, and any budgets you've set for things like groceries or gas. All of that money is already accounted for. The number that's left over? That's your leftover amount. It's the money that's truly safe to spend for the rest of the month without derailing your financial goals. It's your free money, and it updates as you spend. This completely changes the way you think about budgeting. Instead of constantly checking multiple accounts or trying to remember your budget for every single category, you have one simple, clear number to guide your decisions. Are you at the store, debating a new purchase? Check your leftover. If the number is high, you know you have the green light. If it's getting low, it's a clear signal to pump the brakes. It's about moving from a reactive to a proactive mindset. You're not just tracking where your money went, you're seeing exactly where it can go. It's a powerful daily check-in that can help you avoid impulse purchases and stay on track with your long-term financial plan. PocketGuard's leftover feature is more than just a number on a screen. It's your personal financial GPS, designed to keep you on the road to financial freedom.